Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at the Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the Tech Travel Geeks unboxing and first impressions of the KWMOBILE case for the Google Pixel 4a. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, so we previously unboxed and did a setup video about the Google Pixel 4a, and we're already working on the review of the device. Whilst I'm reviewing it, I obviously got an iBetter case the time of purchase, which we've already unboxed and provided some first impressions of, but I needed something with a bit more colour to accessorize with, say my trainers. And the KW case came up on Amazon. So I ordered one of these. We'll put the link in the description. We're going to open it up and put it on the Google Pixel 4a and see how it performs. So the packaging is nothing special. There's a bit of styrofoam in there, keeping the shape of the case. And it's a soft silicone finish case with a bit of padding in the back. Now the Google Pixel 4a is already unapologetically polycarbonate. It's a really nice device, but one of the reasons I need a case is to protect that camera bump module that sticks out of the device. So I'm going to slip the Google Pixel 4a into this case and see how it performs. So easy access to the fingerprint scanner on the back of the device. No issues there. Oh, there we are. I've clipped on the corner of the case, which hadn't been clipped on there, clipped there. So made sure all corners are protected. And so yeah, fingerprint scanner works great. Let's try again. No issues there. There's a decent cutout for the loudspeaker at the top of the screen. The cutouts for the speakers at the bottom and the mic and the USB Type-C port are good. That's not an issue there. Let's see what the volume buttons are like. Yep, so the button inserts, or the button parts that press down on volume up and down, they work perfectly well. Let's try the power button, and that works too. The Pixel 4a doesn't have any other buttons. It's a simple phone that works very, very well. We're pleasantly impressed by it. And this case has a good bit of padding to it, so it's not super slim, it's not ultra slim, but it will obviously do a decent job of keeping the device safe. Now the edges of the case give it a minimal lift above the surface you're putting it down flat on, which is great. And the camera module is the same. It is lifted up, so if you put it down flat on a flat surface, your camera module is protected, which is great. And you can see that depth here on the fingerprint scanner. So overall, great case, nice color. I like this. It's not too loud and orange. It's a bit toned down compared to, say, the orange of the Google Pixel 4 XL. And I think I'll be using this for the rest of my time with the Google Pixel 4a. It's really nice. All the appropriate cutouts are there, even for the courage port and microphones, and it has no interruption on the screen. It doesn't cover up any parts it shouldn't. So, nice case for the Google Pixel 4a. As I said earlier, we'll be putting a link in the description to where you can purchase this on Amazon. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Goodbye from us.